We are Structural Restoration, Inc., third generation concrete restoration company based out of Farmington, Minnesota. So our mission is to provide a restoration service to the grain industry, keeping it intuitive enough where we can accommodate large or small scale projects. We repair sidewalls, do grout and sealing, we do shotcrete work, we do below grade injections, basically any kind of maintenance that these grain elevators need. So we were incorporated in 1969. My dad's uncle founded and started the company. So even though we can do large-scale projects, we have a very small niche family-esque type crews. Everybody I hire, I personally vet. So we are going on our 21st consecutive year with no lost time incidents.
I started working for Structural in 1982, and I worked in the field. I worked with my uncle, Chuck Threet. He took me under his wing, showed me everything about the grain elevator businesses, and after my uncle retired, I took the company over. Then my son came into the company. After Josh was out in the field for, it was about 7-8 years doing the actual work, so he knew how to put this together, put together the budgets, how to deal with the customers. Then I semi-retired. Joshua took over the company, and he has done quite well. So from starting on the bottom, from when he was a little kid, working on the side of elevators off swing decks, he pretty much did everything that our company does, but he learned it the hard way.
One of the things that I've brought to this industry back in 2011 was the preventative maintenance, trying to get them involved with setting aside funds each year to kind of do some of this routine maintenance, the routing and sealing, the cracks, sealing up the sidewalls. Our line of work, the repair industry, is not the fancy equipment, but still is a necessary thing that needs to be done. These elevators were built to store grain, but they were loading and unloading 3 times a year. Well, now we're loading and unloading 3 times a week. All these plants were built on usually high water table locations. So our product we've been using for over 27 years, prime resins material, has mitigated and stopped water migration in tunnels for years. So one of the things that Structural prides themselves on is we don't do change orders. When I bid a project, that's what it's going to be. So you're going to get a very one-on-one. They will be dealing with me as far as up for the bidding all the way up to the completion. So you're going to get that smaller type feel. All my employees are names and not numbers on a sheet. And we make sure that we keep progress and we stay in contact throughout the project.
The grain industry, they're a great bunch of people to work around. They're very pleasant, and we show up at a job site, they're happy we're there, we take care of their needs. The plant has to be working, it has to work safely, and that's when we go in there and we take care of any kind of problems they may have.
Give us a call. We will go anywhere in the country. We'll put together budgets. We will try to make it so this process is as easy as possible and know that you will get a safe project at the end of the day.